हेलो गाइस, आप सबका स्वागत है मेरे न्यू वीडियो में। मेरे घर में एक नया पार्सल है, मैं आप सबको दिखाता हूँ मेरे पार्सल में क्या है। एक सेकंड। घर में से किसी को फेंकने के लिए बोला था मैंने, तो मैं अभी दिखाता हूँ क्या ऑर्डर है मेरा। आप सबको दिखेगा होगा, एक ट्राइपॉड है। मैं ट्राइपॉड क्यों ऑर्डर दिया, क्योंकि जिम में मैं किसी को बोलना नहीं चाहता था कि वीडियो करी, तो अजीब लगता है। सो मैंने एक ट्राइपॉड ऑर्डर कर दिया है। मुझे लगा नहीं था इतना महंगा आएगा। मैं सोचा कुछ थोड़ा सा नॉर्मल खरीद लेता हूँ। फिर मैं सोचा कि एक बढ़िया से खरीद लेता हूँ जिससे मेरे को इन फ्यूचर काम आए। सो मैं आप सबको दिखाता हूँ अंदर क्या है। खाली है क्योंकि मैं अभी यूज कर रहा हूँ। सो मैं घर में से इसको बोलता हूँ कैमरा पकड़े तो मैं आप सबको दिखाता हूँ, ठीक है। तो मैंने अभी किसी को अपना कैमरा पकड़ा दिया है, तो अभी मैं दिखाता हूँ ट्राइपॉड में क्या क्या खास बात है। तो पहले तो मैं ये दिखा देता हूँ, नीचे का स्टैंड जैसे देख सकते हो लंबा होता है, तो हाइट एडजस्ट कर सकते हैं हम लोग, और एक करके और होता है। तो हाइट का कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगा जिम में, कोई कुछ करना चाहिए तो। और ये सॉरी होता है ऐसा। तो ये है रोटेटर, हाइट को बढ़ाने के लिए। मतलब इन्वेस्टमेंट अच्छा ही किया है मैंने। इसमें हैंडल है तो मुझे कैरी करने में या फिर ब्लॉग बनाने में कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगा मेरे को। ऐसे ये मोबाइल हैंडल है, इसमें मैं कैमरा भी ला सकता हूँ। इन फ्यूचर मैंने कैमरा खरीदा तो मैं कैमरा सेटअप भी कर सकता हूँ यहाँ पर। सो ये रोटेटर है, मैं कर सकता हूँ सिनेमेटिक, कोई करता है शायद, मेरे को इतना आता नहीं है, तो इन फ्यूचर शायद बनाऊँ मैं। तो इतना ही है। तो मैं अभी लंच करूंगा, लंच करने के बाद जिम जाएंगे, इसको टेस्ट करेंगे कैसा वीडियो आता है। आप सबको तो दिख ही जाएगा वीडियो कैसे बन रहा है, स्टेबिलिटी कैसा है। चलो अभी काटता हूँ, ठीक है।
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood and my tongue keeps bleeding. From the words I spit, so sharp, so freezing, so cold. Behold, frostbite they feeling. I could tear you apart or I could go heal them. Don't believe in fate, don't believe in ceilings. I just need a taste and my mind starts peeling. I don't pace myself, I grind on kneeling. Got lust for change, I just love the feeling. I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. Cause I'ma live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I go by at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time and I'll soon be winning. I live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I go by at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time and I'll soon be winning. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got reason. If you wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. Hope you're ready for a demon.
Let's run away, just you and I, you and I. Now falling down. Let's make a stage, just you and I. Your heart is mine. Now falling down.
Let's run away from this old town, girl, where we going? I wanna take you somewhere, baby, where it's snowing. We're young and free, let's take a dip into the ocean. Just come with me and we can fix a heart that's broken. I know you love it when we driving down the coast, yeah. I'll take tell me where to go, yeah. Got nothing else but time, so let's put on a show, yeah. Your story crossed like mine, so let's go write our own, yeah.
That's our way, just you and I, you and I. Now falling, falling down. Let's make mistakes, just you and I. Your heart is mine. Now falling, falling down.
Grab my hand and we can work on letting go your fear. Grab my hand and I could take you anywhere but here. Let's run away from all our pain and wipe away those tears, and dry them up until you finally start to see so clear. I know, we're just running around, yeah. Let's go, far away from this town, yeah. I won't ever let you down, yeah. So please don't ever let me down, yeah. Yeah, I just wanna be on a tour bus. It's the one I've been winning, yeah. Focused on myself from the beginning. Didn't hear nobody else's opinions, yeah. I strapped up young, did my research. Man, I worked so hard till my feet hurt. Man, I worked so hard writing each word, cause I wanna go far, I'm a dream, yeah. Only one life, yeah. So do it just right, yeah. Keep your head high, yeah. Yo, you gotta keep your head high. Don't let it go by, yeah. Just let it go. Yo, when everybody thinking that you won't make it, forget them, yeah. When everybody's thinking that you're just faking, forget them, yeah. When everybody's thinking that you're just chasing, forget them, yeah. When everybody out here is just hating, forget them. I want my own tour bus, so I could be on tour, bro. With everyone who loves us, they're with us on the come up. I won't ever give up, I will not forgive us. So we gon' make it big, bruh, and we gon' make it quick, yeah. I just wanna live it up, I just wanna get it, bruh. I could never get enough, no, I could never get enough. I'm ready for the come up, I'm ready for the love, yeah. I will never give up, no, I will never give up. Yeah, and all I know, yeah, is where to go, yeah. Let's to the top, let's. There's things I can't seem to let go, and I feel like I'm all on my own. And some days it gets worse, and the memories hurt, but I hope that one day I let go. I know I get mad, too mad, and I don't wanna do that. It hurts bad and I hate when the mood lasts. I move fast and I try hard to move past all the pain, cause I'm looking